everyone, it's Al with another tech tip. In today's instructional video, you will learn how to repair your cell phone charging cable. Why repair instead of buying a new one, you ask? Two main reasons. One, cut down on our environmental footprint by reducing waste. And number two, best of all, save money. Remember, this repair can be done on a cell phone charging cable for Apple, Samsung, plus any other low voltage cables you may have laying around the house. As you can see, I caught this break in the early stage, before the inner wires broke or separated from the solder connection. Here are the tools you will need: electrical tape, a nice pair of scissors, and a blow dryer. In this case, I'm using my wife's turbo blow dryer. Most importantly, you will need a heat shrinking tube. I purchased a kit as I like to fix things and I'm kind of electronically inclined. It was only about $7 for an assortment of different sizes. In this case, I'm repairing an iPhone charging cable, which will require a 6mm tube so they can fit over the tip of the cable. Now pre-cut a piece of electrical tape about 3 inches long. Now tightly wrap the electrical tape up to the head of the charging cable tip. Take your tube and measure where it will end. Mark where the tube ends. Slightly slide up, as you will want the tube to hide the tape. Pre-cut another piece of tape the same size you did last time. Start wrapping it from that mark you made with the pen. Slide the heat shrink tube on just enough to cover the tape, and let's start using the blow dryer. There we go. You've just repaired your charging cable. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit like if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.